How's everybody doing today? Smithsoniam Genetics here. I am a paid affiliate with AC Infinity, but I am not getting paid to make these videos for them. I'm about to do an unboxing on my Hydrone 7. It just came in the mail today. Did not expect this thing to be so big. It's massive. If you use code Smithsonian, you can save yourself 10% on anything on the website, and that also stacks with promotions and sales that they do most of the time. Try to set my camera up here. I need both hands to open this. Sure. A lot of information booklet. Quick start guide. About the platform. Installation, configuration, setup, draining water, product contents. Right at the top there, we have our sensor probe, UIS to UIS extension, some Velcro strips and 3M clips and zip ties. As we're all just sitting right in here. So filter. Tubing. Set this back down. I'll make another video once I get her all hooked up and running. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already. Please give this video a like. Drop a comment. It all helps. And if you need anything from AC Infinity, use code Smithsonian at checkout. Much love and respect, everyone. Peace out.